313, all others, Charlie 3.
He just went through a driveway, he's losing a bumper. I shut it down. It's coming up to Belle Terre.
I'm coming up to Belle Terre.
Dispatch has been located. Dispatch has been located.
Looks like he's going to be northbound Belle Terre, northbound Belle Terre.
Dispatch has been located.
Copy northbound Belle Terre.
Dispatch has been located.
What's that, sir? 5 foot?
Tell.
Dispatch has been located.
Flagler to Charlie 313, just be advised that 28 that was provided to me, it's not coming back. I'm trying to play with it, see if there's anything else.
It's a rental car. He might have turned into the street. I think I'm being waved down. Just east of Kankakee.
Temper.
I think he went down Kathleen. I didn't see him come out the other end.
Copy, vehicle went down Kathleen.
Vehicle description?
Blue Toyota Camry, dark blue.
Flagler, call safe. Joey 311. Can you take me off my traffic details? Show me 51 to 313 12. 26.
Flagler to Charlie 110, no firefight to launch.
Confirm.
10-4.
I'm on Belle Terre. Just entering the Z section. You want me to stay north, get South 6 ready, or come down to the K section? Belle Terre for citation.
Somebody's flagging me down. He might have made it back to northbound Belle Terre. Part of his bumper's hanging off, his front bumper.
221 Flagler.
Go on.
Northbound Belle Terre, passing within a forest out.
Copy, northbound Belle Terre, passing within a forest.
Show me your hand now!
What's the location for this?
I'll have a couple.
Pull him out of the car.
Watch scared. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I got one arm. I got one arm. Right underneath. Okay?
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Hold on. I'm going to set you up. All right? You good? Hey. Your arms? What? You broke your arms? All right. Well, don't move. Don't move. Just lay on me. I'm trying to keep you up so you don't get dizzy. You know what I'm saying? You're good.
One person, one patient?
Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah, single occupant.
Complaints? What's his complaint?
He said his back, he can't breathe. He was a sole occupant in the crash.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your name, hon?
I'm trying to confirm.
To sit up on
I didn't want him because he was just in a crash. He was like almost unconscious when we pulled him out.
You weren't restrained? You were restrained? You had your seatbelt on? What hurts now? Your back?
He didn't have it on.
Okay.
Neck pain as well?
He didn't have a seatbelt on.
You said he was kind of unconscious.
Yeah, when I pulled him out, his head was up here and his legs were in the back.
Okay.
That's why his,
he went for a ride?
yeah, that's why his shirt's ripped. He was not wearing a seatbelt.
Yeah, we're gonna pass.
Go ahead.
This is who called us. You rented a vehicle is advising the subject you're out with this Chauncey McCray.
Got his driver's license next to the crack bottle. Got his debit card next to the crack bottle. EBT card next to the crack bottle.